fashionistas, welcome back to yet another episode of Beauty with a Twist. So if you have watched our latest video on our channel, which was about life updates, what me and Ajita are busy doing these days and why we abandoned you for 2 years and all of that, you'll be knowing what we are up to nowadays, and this video is in continuation to that video. So if you haven't watched that video and if you don't know what I am talking about, I'll be linking the video in the information I section and also in the description section. You can go ahead and watch that video so that you get a basic idea of a basic background of today's video. So in my earlier video, in the life update video, I showcased a lot of categories that we cater or that we have on our Beauty with a Twist Instagram store. But one, I purposefully didn't want to include this category in the earlier video because I wanted you lovelies, beauties, and all the girls watching our channel to adore this collection and to see the collection in detail separately, not clubbed with the earlier video. So presenting our handmade earring collection. Hope you love the category. Hope you love all the earrings that will be displayed in this video. And if you do, then I'll be mentioning the Instagram link in the description box below, wherein you can approach me for your placing all your orders. And without any further ado, let's see what earrings I have.
TakeTones.com. TakeTones.com. TakeTones.com.
loved all the earrings that we displayed right now in the video, and I'm sure your lists are ready. So now all that you have to do is go to our Instagram store. Link will be mentioned in the description box. Go to the Instagram store and place your orders. Just a disclaimer that due to the lockdown situation in Maharashtra, your deliveries might reach you a little bit late. But nonetheless, let me assure you, all your packages will be worth the wait. And go hurry, place your orders, and we'll be happy to create some beautiful earrings for you. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe to our beautiful channel, Beauty with a Twist. Bye bye.